It's a beautiful day and you're still a bitch.
I love you so much, bae.
Oh, I love Wait, a bay is a large body of water, so you think I'm large? I can't believe you just got me.
What the f?
Selfie.
Walk into the club.
You just stole a kiss. You're making me nervous. Or not.
Yeah, you know that I've got really bad constipation at the moment. Sorry.
Alright, I just got done partying. What do we do? Oh, okay, so you're not gonna tell me what we did in class?
No!
Hi, mate. Sorry, I'm just getting here with you.
Stooky sound.
Hoochie.
Guys, I think we need to branch out a little on our activities, you know, get back to our roots.
Leave me alone, thank you.
So I took this girl out on a date, and she said she was half Christian, half Muslim.
Yeah, I'ma pick the word up and I'ma drop it on your head.
What do you want?
Nothing.
Nothing, please.
That'll be $0.
Here's a 10.
Thanks. $10 you change.
Thanks.
I'm a pretty princess. Revive me.
Hey man, this is how I feel about sexual offenders. I think they should just cut your dick off.
Hey, what the hell are you doing in there?
Sitting on the toilet.
Oh, okay. Wait, that's a